Thank you so much. I mentioned that
Ulster BOCES recently held a special ribbon cutting to announce their partnership with HUNCH, an innovative school-based program that partners NASA with high school students.
Partnership!
Our high school students haven't been taught to live in the box yet. So we get great ideas out of high school students, and they flow very naturally.
Students enrolled in several different trade classes will be able to participate in this hands-on, real-world STEM-based learning project. Computer design and manufacturing students will be tasked with manufacturing aerospace quality parts.
These parts this year will be used to make training units, so the astronauts will be using these parts to train on while they're on the ground.
I think just the opportunity to manufacture parts that, the next round we'll be able to actually have on the space station is really exciting, because, I think a lot of people dream to get to that point, say you've done something for NASA. Well, here we are, we're doing it.
But don't think for a moment that working with NASA on the high school level will be an easy mission.
The tolerances on these items will be maybe 3 to 5 thousandths of an inch, so they have to be extremely accurate. So it's not easy, but he does have the machinery that can produce that accuracy.
This type of precision is a skill set that many local manufacturers covet when searching for a workforce.
Manufacturing remains very strong in the Hudson Valley, particularly this high-tech, innovative, high-value-added manufacturing, and that's the kind of people that we're here today from manufacturing. It's also the kind that needs these really skilled, innovative, and engaged workers. So it's a perfect step up in a way for Ulster BOCES to train these or provide education and training for these workers. But it's a great opportunity for the manufacturers to see what's going on here and become engaged with Ulster BOCES as well.
They are learning the skills that they will need to be the innovators, the designers, the entrepreneurs of our next generation. And this partnership with NASA has taken them to a new level.
Ulster BOCES is one of only 4 schools in New York State who have the distinction of participating in NASA's HUNCH program. Elected officials were thrilled to hear that Hudson Valley students were selected for this unique opportunity.
What these children are about to embark on is to participate in a program that will allow them hands-on to really put something into space. And it will have an application for the space station, for the space shuttle, whatever, but it will also ultimately have an application here in society when we open that mind up and help them to understand that they can be part of the long-term solution for technology here today and tomorrow.
I think it'll be an inspiration for students to get involved with STEM subjects and they can contribute to a NASA product that might help us and help our astronauts in space.
And when you think about it, it captures the imagination. So imagine, we're partnering with NASA. We're talking about space and adventure and technology and bringing it all here and giving our young people a chance to be part of it. What a dynamic partnership.
But out of everyone, it's the students who are most excited.
Anything that we make here, they could go into space and they could either improve on it or they could use it towards another research problem or another problem that they're researching towards, or they could just use it to help their everyday life.
Students will begin working on NASA projects in late October.